What was the purpose of Chernobyl 2? It was a radar system to detect ballistic missile launches. When did the narrator first encounter Chernobyl 2? In January 1987, during the aftermath of the Chernobyl disaster. Who built Chernobyl 2? The Ministry of Medium Machine Building, Ministry of Communications, and military builders. Why was Chernobyl 2 site called Russian Duga? Due to the distinct clacking sound it made when operating. When might the details of Chernobyl 2 be declassified? Possibly in 50 to 100 years.